So we recently went on Eklavya's first international trip to Thailand.
Welcome to my channel, and today I'll tell you 5 reasons why we chose Thailand over other destinations.
Thailand was not even on our list initially. We were actually confused between Japan and Vietnam because Thailand हम already explore कर चुके थे, है ना? कर चुके थे before Eklavya, and हमने वहाँ पे तब कवर करा था फुकेट, कराबी and फीफी, all done. But when we actually started planning the trip properly, reality hit us. In Japan especially, we realized हमें बहुत internal traveling करनी पड़ेगी, either flights or bullet train, and honestly we didn't want Eklavya to get exhausted just traveling from one place to another, है ना? नहीं चाहते थे ना हम कि आप exhaust हो जाओ. And since this was his first trip ever, we genuinely didn't know that what kind of a traveler he would be. Would he enjoy? Did you enjoy Eklavya? Or would he get cranky? Would he even sleep properly outside home? Or would we survive this trip? Right? Did we survive the trip? Did you sleep properly? Initially, we were planning almost a 10-day trip. But then we thought, let's not overdo it. We wanted something slow, relaxed and baby friendly. So, first point था no hectic domestic travel. Second thing was, since we had already explored Thailand earlier, we didn't have this pressure कि everything must be covered. So अभी वो हमें वो checklist नहीं करनी थी कि अच्छा ये भी घूमना है, ये भी घूमना है, ये भी घूमना है. So that was one of the things. You know how international trip usually becomes those checklist trips. So वो हमें नहीं करना था, and that's why we chose this trip. So trip was not about destination this time, है ना? And it was more about his first international trip. So we intentionally skipped places like Phi Islands because boats with a 5-month-old baby honestly felt risky to me, and he was too tiny, है ना? Life jackets भी properly fit नहीं होते, and somewhere as a mom I just didn't want to take unnecessary stress. So what we thought? We thought we'll cover Phuket and Krabi only, right? And we will have relaxed beaches, comfortable stays, familiar places and less chaos. And honestly, this trip was a small break for me. Small break for me and a vacation for the baby. I know vacations with babies are not exactly vacations, but still sometimes just changing your environment helps so much mentally. It did, and it actually did. We wanted to see, can Eklavya actually travel comfortably with us in future? Will he enjoy exploring, or will traveling become too difficult for us with him? And surprisingly, he loved it! He loved Thailand. He was happy almost throughout the trip, and he enjoyed swimming every single day. He slept so peacefully, and somewhere we also gained confidence as parents. है ना भाई? And there was another one big reason for choosing Thailand was the direct flight. Japan and Vietnam की direct flights were available from Delhi, but because of the ongoing global crisis and the flight, there was the flight route issues were there. The ticket price had become crazily expensive, and Vietnam was literally 4x more expensive for us at that time. And then domestic flights, they were adding extra cost. So Thailand somewhere fit in our budget and was more practical option for us. Correct? No? And one more important reason was that Eklava has not started solids yet. And trust me, traveling before solids felt so much easier. Because once solids start, you have to think about food, carry utensils, baby meals. So everything you need to think about it. And what to feed, when to feed, where to feed. So these are extra things. So somewhere we felt this was the perfect window for our first international trip as a family of 3. And honestly, it turned out. How did it turn out? It turned out better than we expected. And there we relaxed, we explored slowly, we made memories, and for the first time ever, we traveled not as a couple but as a parents. And that feeling was really special. So if you guys want more videos on what all we packed, how we selected our hotels, baby travel essentials, Thailand with a baby, or anything else related to traveling with infants, then comment down below. And if you enjoy our raw, real and unfiltered motherhood content, so do subscribe. Clever say, do subscribe to my mama's channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye. See you in the next one.